Welcome to the Cell Soul Source podcast. I'm your host, Jackie, a coach for healers with a background in chiropractic, yoga, and the Akashic Records. Let's decode your energy bodies and rewrite your subconscious blocks so you can experience the freedom and prosperity your healing work is meant to give you. You can have the impact that you came here to make and live a life that you absolutely love as a healer. Every healer has a different version of success. Some are here to see a few people on a really profound level. Some people are designed to work locally, some globally. Some are meant to touch the lives of millions of people. And when you work in the way that you are designed to work, with the people that you are specifically designed to work with, that doesn't feel draining. That is not a sacrifice. That doesn't leave you feel exhausted, questioning yourself. When you work the way you are designed to, it feels like divine service. It feels like holy assignment, and that will fill you with absolute reverence, absolute joy, like your entire life just becomes bliss and joy. So I am about to show you exactly how to find your version of success so that you can jump out of the burnout, the exhaustion, the second guessing, the just having enough. And you can jump into overflow, where you are overflowing with time and energy and joy and money. So what I want to introduce you to is the energy bodies. Your energy bodies are a communication system. And they are showing you exactly how you are designed to work, who you are designed to work with, so that you can feel that ecstatic bliss daily. I want you to notice every time a person, place, or thing makes you feel some kind of way. As soon as it's eliciting some kind of response in your body, that is information. It's information that you can dial into and use to figure out how you are specifically designed to work. So for example, if you look at somebody's house and it makes you feel jealous, perfect. That is showing you that you are meant to experience a beautiful house. If you look at somebody's incredible body and it makes you feel a little bit resentful, perfect. That's telling you that you are about to have the most incredible body. And if somebody's relationship makes you feel a little bit resentful, perfect. You are designed to have a beautiful relationship. You could do this with anything, somebody's bank account, somebody's business. If it is eliciting a response in you, it means that you are meant to have that. So instead of feeling the jealousy, the bitterness, the resentment, and hiding it, maybe feeling guilty about it, maybe feeling shameful about it, don't. Use that information. Use that information and realize it's showing you what is available for you. Sometimes we get stuck in this little bubble of, how things were when we grew up, how things are in our friend groups, how things are in our peer groups, and we just kind of stay in a familiar zone. But your energy bodies know how you are designed to work, what you came here to do, the impact that you came here to have, the life that you are meant to live while doing that. And they are trying to show you that information. They are trying to show you what's available outside of the bubble that you're living in. So I personally celebrate people on the internet like there's no tomorrow. People that I have never met, people that do not know I exist, people that I will never meet. I watch what they do and I celebrate every single time because it's showing my body what is possible. What is possible beyond what I can currently see, what is possible beyond what I can perceive. I'll see somebody making, I don't know, relaxed money, and I think, wow, I didn't know it was possible to do that. Perfect. Now that is part of my awareness. Now my bubble just got bigger and bigger. And now I can welcome in more and more into my life. And the reason that you aren't shown the entire way forward in one go, you're not shown the entire map, you're not shown your entire purpose in one go, is because you'd probably run away. You'd probably go, no, there must be some mistake. That can't be for me. It might feel heavy. You might doubt it. You might end up feeling some kind of tension. So that is why your energy bodies show you the next right step, the next right step. And all the while you are becoming the healer that can hold that dream life that you came here to experience, the fullest expression of that. You can hold that easily. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like a burden. You can let it land in your body. It feels light as a feather. So it definitely is possible to have the impact that you came here to have and live a life you absolutely love. And all you have to do is follow your energy bodies. Get curious about when you want to cry unexpectedly, when things make you feel irritated, when things make you feel frustrated. This really frustrates me. Why? Get curious. That frustration is usually an invitation calling you forward. You're ready for more. You're ready to leave behind what you're used to and step into more. So start to use the signals that are coming from your energy bodies and step out of the survival and the sacrifice that you are taught to work in. Being a healer was never supposed to be a struggle. It was never supposed to feel like that. You are literally here on holy assignment. Do you know that the work that you do is an answer to somebody's prayer? Somebody is praying right now to meet someone like you because you are the person that's going to improve their life so they can put their shoes and socks on in the morning without pain, so that you can help with their marriage or their gut or their mental health. You are literally somebody's prayer, the answer to somebody's prayer. And that gets to feel light for you. We're not doing it from burnout anymore. We're not doing it from a depleted place anymore. We're doing it from, oh my God, I feel amazing. How can I help you? Oh my God, my life is so gorgeous. I am so grateful. Now, how can I help you? And that gets to be every healer's experience. When you start to dial into your energy bodies, learn how they work, learn how they're calling you forward, learn how you can step into the fullest expression of your purpose, why you came here, why you're on the planet right now. And have that feel joyful, have that feel fun, instead of a burden or an obligation. This is the kind of work that we do inside Initiate. Those doors are open. You can comment Initiate beneath this and I will send you the link directly. Because if you resonate with my content, you are not here to repeat what we've done before. You are here to bring in something new. You are a way shower. And that means that there's nobody around us doing it. We are the first. Healers always go first. Healers go first and they bring back the medicine. This is no different. Healers are going to go first through this transition, bring back the medicine and set the others free. That is what we came for. I'm rooting for you. We rise together. If this episode spoke to you, please rate, review, and share it with a colleague or friend so we can set the others free.